4.
3 or 4? 4 or 3?
4.
4. Okay.
3.
What is the first one?
Intrakutan.
Intra?
Subkutan.
Oh, subkutan. Oke, subkutan. You may say it in bahasa Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesianya dulu boleh. The first one is subkutan, and then second one
Intravena.
intravena. Okay. Number 3
Intramuskular.
intramuskular. Okay. Anything else? Ada yang lain?
Intradermal.
Oh, okay. So how many types of injection do you have?
4.
4. Okay. So I'd like to show you the materials, yeah. Okay, so today's topic is about giving injection, yeah. But we actually focus only on 3 types of injection. Okay, what are they? Let's see here. Okay, let's take a look at the location or the route of injection. What do you think? What injection is that? Kira-kira ini injeksi tipe apa?
Subkutan.
Okay, subkutan, because it is in our abdomen ya. Biasanya kalau di perut itu ada banyak apa? Kalau subkutan?
Banyak.
Taruh di mana? Jaringan apa?
Jaringan apa ya?
Kalau subkutan itu rutenya itu di mana? Apakah di kulit atau di muscle, otot, atau jaringan lemak?
Lemak.
Di kulit.
Yes, okay. Nah, kalau yang ini, biasanya setelah injeksi itu berhasil akan keluar bubble-nya. Kira-kira tipe apa ini?
Intradermal.
Intradermal, okay. And this one, coba lihat angle-nya. Angle-nya itu kira-kira berapa derajat?
Muskular. 90 derajat.
90 derajat, okay. And this one, gampang lokasinya ada di vein.
Intravena.
Intravena, okay, good. Listen and repeat after me together ya. Intradermal.
Dermal.
Dermal. Dermal.
Dermal.
Okay, intradermal.
Intradermal.
Okay, next. Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous.
Okay, jangan bilang subkutan lagi ya. That's in bahasa Indonesia. In English, you say like this. Subcutaneous. Again, subcutaneous.
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 Yes. And then this one. Kata kuncinya ada di kata muscle sebenarnya. Muscle artinya apa? Ada yang tahu?
Otot.
Yes. Kalau Andra itu karena sering fitness, badannya jadi muscular. Nah, apa itu muscular?
Kekar.
Yes, tapi itu fitnah ya. Sepertinya tidak ya, Andra. Okay. So,
No.
yeah, listen again. Intramuscular.
Intramuscular.
Muscular. Intramuscular.
Intramuscular.
Yes. And the last one? Ada yang tahu cara bacanya?
Intravenous.
Yes, very good. Who is that? Oh, Aziat Raffi. Aziat, kenapa pakai
Kucing.
kucing?
Sayang kucing.
So you're going to be a cat today, ya? Raffi cat. Raffi the cat. Okay, so the last one is vein. Vein adalah vena ya, pembuluh darah vena. Jadi rutenya kita taruh syringe-nya di vena. So the type of injection is the intravenous. Again, intravenous.
Intravenous.
Venous. Bukan I ya, venous.
Intravenous.
Oh, venous. Now, repeat again from the first one. Kalau di jaringan lemak, what type of injection is that?
Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous. Good. Our
Subcutaneous.
skin.
Intradermal.
Intradermal. Our muscle.
Intradermal.
In our muscle.
Intramuscular.
Intramuscular.
Q. Intramuscular.
Intramuscular.
Yes. The last one. In our vein.
Intravenous.
Intravenous.
Intravenous. Very good. So we have 4 types of injection, but for today, we're going to learn on subcutaneous, intradermal, and intramuscular. For intravenous injection will be learned later ya, in the next meeting. Karena akan ada materi juga tentang giving IV infusion ya. Now, let's see the injection routes. Rutenya. Nah, let's take a look at this picture. Kalian lihat syringe-nya. Nah, in the syringe you have needle ya. What is needle? Nah, now let's see the angle of the needle. Nah, kita lihat angle-nya sekitar berapa itu? Bisa 45 sampai 90 derajat. Kemudian kita lihat roots-nya. Roots-nya itu adalah lokasi di mana si needle itu dimasukkan ya. So, let's take a look here. We have subcutaneous tissue. Subcutaneous means lemak ya, while tissue is jaringan. Berarti jaringan lemak. Nah, ada dermis, ada subcutaneous tissue, jaringan lemak, and then the last one is muscle. Nah, C-nya jangan dibaca ya, muscle. Kita lihat rute syringe-nya. Let's take a look at the needle. It is located in the subcutaneous tissue. Berarti ini adalah injeksi apa? Jenis apa?
Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous. Yes. Now let's see this one. The second one. Let's see the location of the syringe and focus on the needle. Lokasinya ada di mana ini? Rutenya?
Dermis.
Yes. So you can guess what type of injection is that?
Intradermis.
Intradermal. Very good. Next one. Next route. Next route is here. 90 derajat ya, tegak, dan needle-nya ada di bagian apa ini?
Muscle.
Yes, muscle. So we have the type of injection apa?
Intramuscular.
Intramuscular. Intramuscular.
Intramuscular.
Yes. So first one, kalau rutenya ada di mana? Subcutaneous tissue. The injection is
Subcutaneous.
Now let's see the second route in the dermis or in our skin ya. So the name is
Intradermal.
intradermal. Good. The last one, the root is in the muscle. So the injection is
Intramuscular.
Muscular.
Intramuscular.
Yes, great. Berarti kalau intravenous rutenya ada di mana? Of course in the
Vena.
yes. So what is vena in English?
Venous.
V-E-I-N. Vein. Ya. Okay. Now let's see here. Let's take a look at the injection sites. Okay, we have outer part of the upper arm. Kita fokus di sini dulu. This is our arm, and this is our upper arm. Berarti lengan bagian atas atau bawah?
Atas.
Yes.
Atas.
Nah, kemudian ada kata outer. What is outer?
Luar.
Bagian luar.
Luar.
Yes, jadi lengan atas, bagian luar. And then the second injection site. Site itu lokasinya ya. Let's see. Still remember what part of the body is this?
Thigh.
Thigh. Yes, our thigh. Now let's see. Ini upper thigh atau lower thigh?
Upper.
Terus
Upper.
outer atau inner?
Outer.
Yes.
Outer.
Oke. Oh, wait a
Oh.
second. Ini salah ketik, mistyping. Sorry. Nah, this one. Nanti sambil direvisi ya. This is our thigh. Oke, wait. Nah, upper thigh berarti paha bagian atas, kemudian outer part berarti bagian luar ya. So it's the outer part of the upper thigh. Next location. What part of the body is this?
Bokong.
Yes. What is bokong in English? What is pantat in English?
Pet.
Ingat-ingat si SpongeBob SquarePants. Bikini, bottom, ya. Bottom, or we can say buttocks. Ya. Boleh bottoms. Bottoms juga boleh ya. You can say bottoms or buttocks. Repeat after me again. Buttocks.
Buttocks.
Buttocks. Buttocks.
Buttocks.
Dan ini di bagian atas. So you say upper buttocks. And the last one. Kira-kira ini bagian apa dari tubuh kita?
Pusar.
Abdomen.
Oke, pusar itu ada di mana? Perut ya, abdomen. Oke, so it is in the abdomen. Avoid within 2 inch within umbilicus. Jadi hindari bagian yang lokasinya 2 inch di dekat umbilicus ya. Okay, so if you take a look at this position where we can do the injection, what do you think? What injection is applied here? Kira-kira injeksi apa? Kalau lokasinya outer part of the upper arm, outer part of the upper thigh, upper buttocks, and abdomen. Anyone else?
Subcutaneous.
Cutaneous. Yes. Okay. Now let's memorize the sites of subcutaneous injection together. Listen and repeat after me. Outer part of the upper arm.
Outer part.
Outer part of the upper arm.
Biasanya kalau kata bahasa Inggris itu diawali dengan bunyi vokal a, i, u, e, o, kita cenderung mempronouncekan atau melafalkan the menjadi the ya. Both are correct, dua-duanya benar, bisa the atau the. Tapi biasanya kita pakai the kalau setelah kata ini ada bunyi a, i, u, e, o. Ini kan bunyi yang awal adalah a ya, upper. So you say the. Seperti the afternoon, tapi the morning. Nah, so let's say together, kita jadikan sama ya. Let's say the instead of the. Kita pakai yang the aja. Outer part of the upper arm.
Outer part.
Outer part of the upper arm.
Next one. Outer part of the upper thigh.
Outer part
Outer part of the upper thigh.
Yang ini GH-nya nggak usah dibaca, GH-nya silent ya. Tapi ini GH itu dibaca thigh. Outer part of the upper thigh.
Outer part of the upper thigh. Thigh.
Thigh.
Thigh.
Yes. Oke, kayak alif, ba, ta, fa. Nah,
Thigh.
outer part of the upper thigh.
Thigh. Thigh.
Thigh, yes.
Outer part of the upper thigh.
Next sides ya. Repeat after me together. Upper buttocks.
Upper buttock.
Upper buttocks.
Abdomen.
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 Oke, kita pakai abdomennya aja ya. So let's see together. Number 1, what side is that? Coba dibaca lagi, ingat-ingat. What is that?
Outer part of
Outer part of the upper
arm.
The upper arm.
Yes. Outer part of the upper arm. Next one.
Outer part.
outer part of the
Outer part of the upper thigh.
Outer part of the upper thigh. Yes. Next one.
upper
Outer buttocks.
Yes. Upper buttocks. Last one. Gampang. Perut.
Abdomen.
abdomen.
Abdomen. Yes. Now let's see the next injection sites. Kita lihat di sini. Nah, ini bagian tubuh apa?
Tangan, lengan.
Kalau tangan itu cuman yang dari pergelangan sampai ke jari ya. Kalau ini
Lengan.
berarti tangan atau lengan?
Lengan.
Lengan.
Atas atau bawah? Upper atau
Under.
lower?
Lower.
Lower.
Lower. Yes. Nggak pakai under ya, tapi pakainya lower.
Lower.
Ini
Lower arm.
Kemudian, ada anterior aspect of the forearm. Oke, boleh bilang
Lower.
lower arm boleh, atau boleh saja sebut forearm. Forearm itu bagian lengan. What do you call it? Bagian lengan yang di dalam ya. Nah, bukan yang di luar, tapi yang di dalam. So that's forearm. So it's anterior aspect of forearm. And then the next one, ini ada bagian apa kira-kira?
Dada.
Dada, yes. Oh, wait. This one is chest. Dan dada bagian atas, berarti upper chest.
Chest.
And then let's see here. Ada dua side sebenarnya. The first one is in our back.
Punggung.
Punggung ya. Punggung atas berarti upper back. Kemudian yang ini adalah lengan.
Back of
Bagian belakang.
belakang.
Yes. Berarti kita bisa bilang in the upper back. Ini adalah upper back. Atau bisa bilang apa? Back of arm. Yes. Let's say together ya. Anterior aspect of forearm.
Anterior
Aspect of forearm.
Upper chest.
upper
Upper
chest.
chest.
Upper chest.
Bukan chest ya, chest. Upper
Chest.
chest.
Upper chest.
Next. Upper back.
Upper back.
Upper back.
Back of arm.
Back.
Back of arm.
Yes. What do you think? What injection site is that? Kira-kira untuk injeksi apa yang lokasinya di sini?
Dermal.
Intradermal.
Intradermal.
Yes, intradermal injection. Next one. Kita lihat injection sites-nya. Nah, gampang ya. Ini ada deltoid muscle. Nah, this one is deltoid muscle yang dibuat warna merah ya. Deltoid muscle. And then the next one is here. Vastus lateralis muscle. And then here in our buttocks ya, di pantat kita ini ada, nah, what is it? Ventrogluteal side. Nah, ini ventrogluteal side. And then the last one here. Dorsogluteal side. Nah, ada kata muscle di sini. Berarti kira-kira ini untuk injeksi apa?
Intramuscular.
Intramuscular.
Intramuscular. Kita ulangi lagi. Repeat after me together. Deltoid muscle.
Deltoid muscle.
Yes, it is in our arm ya. Ada di bagian lengan atas ya. Next one, ada di paha kita. Vastus lateralis side.
Vastus lateralis side.
Right.
Yes, ini ada di bagian pantat ya. Oke, samping ya. Repeat after me. Ventrogluteal side.
Ventrogluteal
Gluteal
side.
side.
Yes, and then the last one is dorsogluteal side.
Dorsogluteal site.
Side.
Yes. That's for intramuscular injection. And then let's see the detail here. Let's talk about the function. Kita ingat-ingat functionnya. If you have subcutaneous injection, so usually it is used to insert insulin and various immunization. Okay, and then let's see the size of the needle. Jadi kalian pasti lebih paham ya, ukuran lubang di needle, di jarum itu kan berbeda-beda ya. We call it as gauge. Repeat after me together. Gauge.
Gauge.
Age.
Gauge biasanya disingkat dengan G ya. Nah, ini mengacu ke ukuran lubang yang ada di syringe ya, yang ada di what do you call it? Syringe needle, di jarum suntikan. And here the size is about a half inch. Kalau ada titik di atas ini, titik 2 di atas, kita baca inch ya. So a half inch until 7/8 inch. Okay, together, a half inch until 7/8 inch.
A half inch.
Inch until 7 inch.
Inch.
Yes, with a gauge 23 until 25 G. Together.
With the
With the
gauge.
gauge,
Gauge
23
until
until
25 G.
G. Yes. G ini kan ini ya, ukuran untuk gauge-nya. Nah, what about the what do you call it? Jumlah
liquid.
atau tetesannya ya. Nah, berapa jumlahnya atau volumenya? The amount of the medication that is given through subcutaneous injection. Ada berapa ini? Ada yang bisa baca ini?
2.5.
Ya, 2.5 atau 2.5 ya. Kalau 5 ini dibaca setengah ya. Bisa 2.5 atau 2.5. 2 mau yang mana? 2.5 or 2.5?
2.0.
Enggak ada
2.5.
2.5 aja, oke. 2.5 until 3. Ini bacanya apa?
CC.
CC. Ya, that's in bahasa Indonesia. Kalau bahasa Inggris, ada yang tahu apa ini CC? CC itu kan sebenarnya dari ini ya, untuk volume yang setara dengan sentimeter kubik. Nah, jadi kalau mau gampang ya bilang cc boleh, atau kalau mau diubah pakai yang ukuran standar sentimeter kubik. Mau yang mana? Sentimeter kubik atau cc?
Cc.
Pilih yang gampang ya. 2.5 until 3 cc with maximum amount 2. Nah, ini adalah apa namanya? Volume tetesannya ya. And then what about this one? Kira-kira kalau ada 45 derajat atau 90 derajat, ini untuk apanya?
Ukuran.
Kemiringan.
Penyuntikannya.
Sudut penuntikannya ya, sudut penuntikannya. Ada yang tahu bahasa Inggrisnya sudut?
Angle.
Oke, kalau angel itu malaikat.
Angle.
Bukan angle itu sulit. Angel.
Angle.
Yes, very good Anissa. Angle, bacanya itu angle. Together, angle.
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 Yes, angle. The angle is 45. Apa bacanya kalau derajat?
Degree.
Nah, 45 degree or
90.
90.
Degree.
yes. Next, What about the intramuscular injection? What is the function? Usually, intramuscular injection is to insert medication. Contohnya ada apa saja ini?
Vaksin.
Oh, vaksin bisa, yes. Penicillin, vitamin B12, sex hormones juga bisa lewat intramuscular ya. And various vaccines. Bermacam-macam vaksin.
Vaksin virus.
Apa ini?
Rabies.
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 Yes, bacanya itu rabies. Rabies or kalau ini apa?
Hepatitis.
Oke, hepatitis.
Hepatitis.
Yes, bacanya itu hepatitis ya. So, intramuscular injection is to insert medication and various vaccines. Kita lihat ukuran needle-nya. Masih ada yang ingat bacanya apa ini?
1 inch.
1 inch.
Until
1/2 inch.
yes, 1.5 inch with the
Gauge. Gauge.
yes with
With the
the
gauge.
gauge size 20 until 22
2G.
Yes. What about the volume or the amount?
2.5
until 5 cc.
5 cc with
amount.
amount
Maximum
Isi
1
1
cc.
cc for deltoid
Deltoid
or
5 cc
for other
side.
side.
for other sides. Yes. What about the angle? Angle-nya berapa kalau intramuscular?
90 degree.
90 degree. Great. Last one is for intradermal injection. The function is to
To treat allergies.
Allergic.
yes, to treat allergies and TBC
TBC.
ya, tuberculosis. Ada lagi yang lain? Kira-kira kalau intradermal injection untuk apa saja selain alergi dan TBC?
Apa ya?
Coba diingat-ingat. Kalau intradermal untuk apa saja?
Skin test.
Yes, okay, skin test. Yes, this is related to allergies ya. Biasanya karena berkaitan dengan alergi. Kalau kita mau ngecek kita punya alergi apa, biasanya kan kita melakukan skin test ya. Bisa di apa itu? Using prick test yang ditempelin apa itu ya. Terus bisa juga dengan injection. Nah, that's intradermal injection. Boleh skin test to treat allergies. And then what about the needle size? Kita lihat needle size. Kalau ini ada yang tahu bacanya apa?
Quarter.
A quarter, yes. A quarter inch until a half inch with a gauge size berapa?
25
until 27 G. Yes. What about the amount of medication injected? Biasanya berapa? Kalau tinggi, tuberculosis berapa?
1 cc.
With maximum amount
0.1.
2.1 cc.
Yes. And the last one is the angle. Angle-nya berapa kalau intradermal injection?
10 degrees.
10 degrees until
15
degrees.
15 degree.
Very good. 10 until 15 degree. From 3 injections, intradermal, intramuscular, and also subcutaneous injection. Which do you think is the most difficult for you to do? Kan sudah praktek pasti ya? Which one is the most difficult? Yang paling susah itu yang mana?
Muscular.
Muscular. Oh, intramuscular injection.
Yes.
Why? What makes it difficult?
Because jero banget, Miss. It's so long,
colong nyoloknya itu loh, Miss.
Oh, I see. Because the injection site is in the muscle, right? So
Yes.
so it's very deep. Jadi
Yes, very deep.
dalam. Oke. Apalagi selain karena kedalamannya?
Titiknya tertentu, hanya di lengan dan bokong.
I see. Is it difficult for you to find the site?
No find the site. Izinnya, Miss. Izinnya.
Yes, to find the site is so difficult.
Oh, I see. So if you are going to ask for permission to the patient gitu, atau gimana?
Itu loh, nyari tempatnya harus dipakai 3 apa 4 jari itu loh, Miss.
Oh, I see. Okay then. So it's difficult to find the site ya. Mengira-ngira estimasinya ada di mana gitu.
Yes.
Oh, I see. What about with the patient? Because the location is usually in the buttocks, yeah. Do you think that
Of course.
it is also difficult for you to ask for permission to the patient?
Yes, difficult.
Oke, biasanya pasien menolak nggak kalau mau disuntik di daerah tersebut? So because that's private ya?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Oke, then. What about the intradermal? Kalau intradermal sering?
Usually.
Okay, good. Now, let's see here. Intravenous injection route and sites. Because intravenous injection is the injection usually given for applying IV infusion, yeah. So the route and the sites can be through the vein, lewat pembuluh darah vena, atau langsung ke infusionnya, ya. So that's for intravenous injection. That's it. So this is actually the materials that we learn in this meeting, ya. Jadi kita hanya membahas tentang types of injections related to the function, the routes and sites, and then also the amount of medication given, and the last one is the angle, ya. Okay, so let's review a bit. Kita review sekali lagi. Setelah itu, please do the quiz from me, ya. Oke, kita ke types of injection dulu. I will say it. I will say the location. You mention the type of injection. For example, the location is in our skin or our dermis. What injection is that?
Intradermal.
Intradermal. The location is in the muscle.
Intramuscular.
Muscular. The location or the site is in the subcutaneous tissue. Subcutaneous injection. The location is in the vein.
Intravenous.
Intravenous. Yes. Picture number 1. What injection is that?
Subcutaneous.
Number 2.
Intradermal.
Number 3.
Intramuscular.
Intramuscular. Number 4.
Intravenous.
Intravenous. Yes. Next. The location of or the route of subcutaneous injection is in the
Subcutaneous.
subcutaneous tissue. Good. The location, the route of intradermal injection is in the dermis. Boleh bilang dermis, boleh bilang skin ya. The location of the route of intramuscular injection is in the
Muscle.
muscle. Yes. Next. Siapa yang masih ingat ini? This is the injection site of subcutaneous. Number 1.
Outer of the
Outer part
Outer
of upper arm.
the
Outer part of the upper arm. Next.
Outer part of the
part
upper
of
thigh.
the
Outer
upper
part of
thigh.
Outer part of the upper thigh.
thigh.
Next. Pantat.
Upper batak.
Upper buttocks.
Upper
Upper
buttocks.
buttocks.
Yes. Next.
Abdomen.
Abdomen.
Abdomen. Injection apa ini?
Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous.
Yes. Next one. Lengan bagian sini. Apa namanya?
Anterior
Forearm. Yes. Anterior
Forearm.
aspect of forearm. Bagian bagian atas.
upper chest.
Upper chest.
Upper chest.
Yes. Upper chest. Next one.
Upper back.
Bagian atas.
Back
Upper
arm.
back.
Upper back.
Upper
Terus lengan bagian belakang.
Back of arm.
Back of arm. Yes.
Back of arm.
Next.
Yes.
Kita lihat injection sites untuk yang intramuscular. Masih ingat muscle apa ini?
Deltoid muscle.
Deltoid muscle. Yes.
So,
Deltoid muscle. Ada di lengan atas. Sekarang yang ini ada apa? Vastus
vastus lateralis side.
side. Yes.
Side.
Next. Kalau yang ini? Ventrogluteal side.
Ventrogluteal
Selain
side.
ventro ada dorso. Dorso.
Gluteal side.
Coba ulangi lagi. Nomor 1 namanya apa?
Deltoid.
Deltoid muscle.
Deltoid muscle. Number 2,
Vastus lateralis side.
vastus lateralis side. Yang ketiga,
Ventrogluteal side.
yang terakhir,
Dorsogluteal side.
Yes, good. Fungsinya subcutaneous untuk apa? Insert
Insert insulin and forest immunization.
immunization. Degree-nya, angle-nya berapa?
45 degree.
45 degree or 90 degree.
Yes. Volume of the medication. Amount-nya berapa?
2.5
until
till 3 cc with maximum amount
Okay. Needle size. Needle size-nya berapa?
half inch
Half inch until 7 inch in
thick
width.
gauge,
Age
23 and
23 and 25 G.
25 G.
Nah, kalau yang intramuscular to insert medication and apa?
vaccine.
Sini.
Disingkat aja nggak apa-apa ya, ngapalinnya. The function of intramuscular injection is to insert medication and various vaccines. Good. The size of syringe or the size of needle is berapa ini?
1 inch.
Until
1.5
inch with the gauge size 20 until 22 G.
The amount of medication
2.5 until 5 cc with maximum 1 cc for deltoid, 5 cc for other side.
and the angle is
90 degree.
90 degrees. The last one, terakhir. The function of intradermal injection is to
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 treat
treat allergies, TBC.
allergies and TBC. Okay. The size of the needle is
a quarter
inch
There is with the curve
size
size 25 until 27 G.
yes. The amount of medication given is 1
cc with maximum amount
amount.
0.01 cc.
Yes. And the angle is
10
10
degrees
degrees
until
until 50 degree.
yes, 10 degree until 15 degree. And the route and sides of the intravenous injection is through the vein or through the infusion. Yes, good. Now it's time for a quiz. I want you to prepare a piece of paper. Silakan siapkan satu lembar kertas.
Wait, Miss. Wait a second.
Saya stop dulu ininya ya, screen sharingnya. You can prepare a piece of paper. Done. Okay. And by the way, for Husnanisa, Septiani, Anti, Alia, and Fitriana, can you turn your camera on? Okay. Tinggal tunggu Fitriana Ika Dewi ya. Okay, so I will give you several questions related to the type of injection that we have already learned. Yeah, your job is to just write down the answer. Okay, write down the answer, and then after that I will count until 10. Nanti saya hitung sampai 10. 1 until 10. If time is up, you have to stop writing and show me your answer. Okay? Lalu tunjukkan jawaban yang sudah kalian tulis. Okay. Nice.
Enggak kuis lagi, Miss.
Quizzes terlalu gampang. Besok lagi ya. Okay, wait a second. I'd like to share my screen for the quiz. Okay, I give you one example. Okay, I show you the picture, and after that, your job is to write down. This is the question. What type of injection is this? Take a look at the picture, and then I will count until 10. 1.
Still loading, Miss.
Oh, masih loading. Dan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Show me your answer.
Intradermal.
Intradermal. Oke. Kalau spellingnya salah, nanti dicoret ya. Please be honest ya. Yang jujur. How do you spell intradermal together?
I N R
L. Yes. Check your answer. If it is incorrect, cross it out ya. disilang. Okay. Number 2. Let's see number 2. This is blah 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 injection type. Let's take a look at the picture. Kira-kira ini injeksi apa? Write down with the correct spelling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Please check your answer and the spelling. Kalau spellingnya salah, coret. Aziat, how do you spell intravenous? Come on.
I
I
N
N
T
T
R
R A or A?
E
A.
Huh? A
And then V
E
E
N
N.
O U S.
Very nice. Intravenous injection. Make sure you have good spelling ya. Yang spellingnya salah, salah. Next. Please understand the question. The type of injection which its sides, lokasinya ya, are on the outer part of the upper arm, upper thigh, upper buttocks, and within umbilicus is bla bla bla. Kata kuncinya ada outer part of the upper arm, upper thigh, upper buttocks, umbilicus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Husna Nisa, show me your answer.
Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous. Okay, how do you spell it?
Subcutaneous.
E atau I sebelum O? E. And then O, U, S. Yes, that's the correct spelling. Now let's see the next number. Take a look at the sides. Kata kuncinya adalah di sides. The type of injection which its sides are on the anterior aspect of forearm, upper chest, and upper back or back of arm is very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Andrea, show me your answer.
Intradermal.
Intradermal, how do you spell it?
INTRADERMAL.
Awesome. Intradermal injection. Good job. Next
Thank you, Miss.
question. This injection route is for, let's see the picture. Very easy. Come on. Ini saya hitung sampai 6 aja ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time is up. Mega Putri. Show me your answer. Where is your paper? Intramuscular. Good. How do you spell intramuscular, Mega? Okay. I think you do not have good connection ya. Koneksinya di situ jelek ya. So this one is the spelling ya. Intramuscular. Next question. Be ready? The injection route for subcutaneous is blah 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 degree or blah 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 degree. Angle-nya. Come on. Please remember the angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Can you please show me your paper? Coba tunjukkan papernya. Show me your paper. Farid Gani, where is your paper?
Pakainya kain, Gani nggak pakai paper.
See.
Wait, Miss, wait. Wait. Nggak kelihatan.
Oke. Kita cek punya Gani nih. Gani nulis nggak? Come on.
No pic hoax, Gani. Gani.
Good. The injection route for subcutaneous injection is blah 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 or blah blah blah. Berapa?
45 degrees until 90 degrees.
90.
Yes. 45 degree or 90 degree. All correct, I guess, yeah. Next one. Type of injection which the route is 10 up to 15. Nah, kalau injection route-nya itu 10 until 15 degree, what injection is that? Very easy. Saya hitung sampai 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time is up. Show me your paper. Intradewa. Okay. Andra, finish.
Finish.
Okay, good. Together, what is your answer? Very easy.
Intraderma.
Intradermal injection. Yes, nice. Continue next.
Nice, guys.
Take a look at the site, yeah. This site should be used for blah 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 injection. Take a look at the picture. Coba lihat gambarnya. Very easy. I'll count until 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time is up. Ada yang tahu ini apa? Apakah ini ventrogluteal site atau dorsogluteal site?
Ventrogluteal site.
Ya, ventrogluteal site. And it is for what injection?
Intramuscular.
Yes, intramuscular. Yang jawabannya ventrogluteal site salah ya. Karena yang ditanyakan adalah this site should be used for blah 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 injection. Jadi site ini untuk injeksi apa?
Intramuscular.
Yes. Next question ya. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is the purpose of subcutaneous injection? Purpose. It is the same as function. Very easy. Untuk apa? Diawali dengan kata to ya. To bla bla bla. Satu aja boleh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Show me your paper, please. What is it for? Okay, great. What is the function of subcutaneous? To insert insulin. Okay.
Insulin.
Yang jawab to insert insulin boleh. To insert various immunization boleh. Salah satu aja boleh. Okay. Great. Next one. Next answer. Next question, sorry. What is the purpose of intramuscular injection? Intramuscular injection. What is the purpose or the function? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Stop writing. What is the function of intramuscular injection to?
Vaksin.
Ya, to give vaccines, boleh.
Vaccine.
Atau to insert medication, boleh. Salah satu aja. Medication boleh, vaccines boleh. Next. The injection which its purpose is to treat allergies or tuberculosis and etc. is blah blah blah. Very easy. Kata kuncinya adalah dari kata allergies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. What injection is it?
Intradermal.
Intradermal.
Intradermal injection. Pastikan spellingnya benar. Semua benar? Intradermal?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. Next. This is blah 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 route and site. Silahkan tuliskan type of injection-nya. Very easy. What is the type of injection if the route and site is in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. What is your answer?
Intravenous.
Yes, intravenous. Great. The answer is intravenous. Next question, please. Mention one of injection site of subcutaneous injection. Only one. Only one injection site of subcutaneous. Up to you. Satu aja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is out. Stop writing. Ada 4 kalau tidak salah ya tadi subcutaneous ya. 1 apa? Outer part of the upper arm. Second one, outer part of the upper thigh. Number 3, upper bottom. Yang terakhir, abdomen. Yes. Up to you, please choose one.
Up to you, please. Ya, ditelepon ayo.
Kan cukup 1 ya tadi. Nah, deltoid muscle is one of the sites of the injection. Kalau deltoid muscle, it is one of the sites in blah 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 injection. Very easy.
Jadi
1,
rusak lagi sebenarnya.
2, 3, 4,
Deltoid
5,
muscle is
6,
one of the site of
7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Stop writing. Yang belum selesai, langsung coret. Deltoid muscle adalah salah satu site atau salah satu lokasi dari bla 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 injection. Gampang?
Intramuscular.
Intramuscular.
Yes. Intramuscular. Yang salah coret. Yang belum selesai coret. Next one. What type of injection which needle length is 1 inch until 1.5 inch? Kalau ukuran needle-nya itu 1 sampai 1,5 inch, itu adalah Needle yang dipakai untuk injection apa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time is up. Stop writing. Let's see what is your answer. Siapa ya? Nur Hoirotunisa. Answer?
Intramuscular.
Yes, intramuscular. Very nice. Continue next ya. Oh, done. Finished. Okay. Please count. Okay, how many questions do you have here? 15 ya, kalau nggak salah ya.
Yeah.
Saya buatnya 15. Coba
Yes.
lagi 15 ya. Okay, correct number times 2 divided by 3. Jumlah benar kalikan 2 bagi 3.
Ngitungnya gimana, Miss, barusan, Miss?
Correct number times 2 divided by 3. Jumlah benar kalikan 2 dibagi 3. Nah, totalnya 15 kalau nggak salah. Done. Finish?
Finish, Miss.
Ini.
Let me see. Let me call you one by one ya. Anissa 3, what's your score?
8, Miss. 8,3.
8.3. Okay. Anissa Febiani
9.3.
9.3. Anti Alia.
10.
Okay, nice. Aziat
9.3.
9.3. Catur.
9.3.
Okay. Dini.
9.3.
Andra.
10.
Sorry, repeat again, Andra.
10.
Oh, 10. Really?
Yes, really.
Okay, great. Good job. Husna Nisa,
9.3.
10. Inaza,
9.3.
Intan,
9.3.
Khofifah.
10.
Very good. Next, after Khofifah is Maudi.
9.3, Miss.
Mega. Can you repeat again, Mega?
9.3, Miss.
9.3. Next is Macy.
8.6.
0.6. Okay. Next, Nur Khairotunisa.
9.3.
9.3. Prawesti.
9.3.
Rizkia.
9.3.
Septiani.
9.3, Miss.
Kebanyakan 9,3 ya. Banyak yang salah di bagian apa tadi?
Yang terakhir pasti.
Number
Yang itu kan ventro.
Oh, yang ventrogluteal side.
Yes.
Oke. Silvi udah belum tadi ya? Saya lupa. Belum ya, Silvi?
8.6.
8.6. Sudah semua ya?
Miss, permisi tadi Anissa 8.6.
Wait a second. Oh, Farid ketinggalan. Wait a second. Farid. Mana Farid? Wait. Farid berapa Farid?
10, Miss.
Oh, nice. Sama siapa lagi tadi?
Saya Miss
Your name please.
Amaliawati.
Amalia. Amaliawati berapa?
9.3.
Dan sudah semua sepertinya ya.
Tadi Anissa 8.6, Miss.
Wait, Anissa yang
Anissa Trimulyani.
Anissa Febiani.
Anissa Trimulyani.
Oh, Anissa Trimulyani berapa?
Iya. 8.6.
8.6. Oke. Dan ya, semua sudah ya?
Dan Miss.
Okay, great. So this is what we have learned in this meeting, yeah. We already learned about 4 types of injection. What are they? Number 1, if the injection site is in the skin, is
Oh, intradermal.
intradermal. In the subcutaneous tissue, subcutaneous injection. If the location is in the muscle,
Muscular.
intramuscular. If the location is what is that? In the vein,
Vein.
Intravenous.
intravenous injection. Good. Now, I give you one question. If you can answer, you may leave the Zoom meeting first. Yang bisa jawab boleh leave duluan, ya. So you can say your name and then answer, ya. Question number 1. The injection site is in the muscle. What injection is that?
Andra.
Anti Alia first. Anti
Allah.
Anti intramuscular. Leave the Zoom meeting. You may leave first. See you. Number 2. Intradermal injection is injection with blah 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 until blah 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 degree angle.
Asiat.
Aziat, please.
10 degree until 15 degree.
Very nice. You may leave the group.
Yay.
See
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
Number 3, very easy. Number 3, the location or the site of injection is in our dermis.
Anissa, Miss.
Farid Gani.
Intradermal.
Intradermal. You may leave the Zoom. Bye. Number 4, the injection site is in the subcutaneous tissue. Rizkia Suci. Nah, spelling ngomongnya salah. Ganti yang lain. Prawesti Desi.
Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous. You may leave the Zoom. Bye.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. The function is to treat allergy. What is that? Maudi. Come on, Maudi. Apa jawabannya, Maudi?
The types of injectionnya intradermal injection, Miss.
Intradermal injection. Yes. It's true. Next question. The function is to
Andra.
not yet. TBC.
Anissa.
Siapa? Anissa Febiani. Anissa Febiani. To treat TBC. Come on, apa jawabannya tadi?
Intradermal.
Intradermal. Go home. You may leave the Zoom. Next one. The angle is 45 or 90 degree angle.
Malia.
Inaza. What injection is that?
Intramuscular.
Intramuscular. Leave the Zoom. Okay, next, listen carefully. How do you spell subcutaneous?
Andra.
Septi. Okay, Septi.
S
S.
U B C U T A N E O U S.
Very nice. You may leave the room. Next one. Masih tersisa berapa orang ini? 15. Okay, listen carefully. How do you spell intradermal?
Mi.
Andra.
Anissa Trimulyani. Anissa Trimulyani.
INTRADERMAL.
Okay, nice. You may leave the room. Next one. The injection site is on dorsogluteal site. What injection is it?
Andra.
Indra? Andra, yes?
Intramuscular.
Intramuscular, yes. You may leave the room.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Listen again. The site is in the... oh, no, not the site. The root is in the outer part of the upper arm.
Rizkia.
Yeah, yes, Rizkia Suci. Outer part of the upper arm.
Subcutaneous.
Subcutaneous. Yes, you may leave the room.
Bye, Miss.
Okay. Yes, see you. Okay, the last one. The last one is the injection route is in the anterior aspect of the forearm. Nur Khairotunisa.
Intradermal.
Khairotunisa.
Intradermal.
Intradermal, yes, you may leave the room. Okay, then. That's it for today. Thank you very much for joining me in this meeting. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Yes,
Thank you, Miss.
you're welcome.